A question which is bothering all of us during this COVID-19 pandemic is it safe to visit a hospital? Well, if it is for your routine checkup, a casual checkup, which you have time and that's why you want to go for a checkup, then probably not. But if it is something where your doctor has told you to come for a checkup, which is an important follow-up checkup, or if it is some emergency and urgent thing, then definitely you have to visit. Now, the preparation of visiting a hospital begins from home. Don't carry too many things with you when you are visiting a hospital. Basically, your keys, then your wallet, your report cards, the reports which you have to show it to your doctor, these are the things you have to carry with you. Wear minimum jewelry. Do not wear your watch, your bangles, your rings. So wear minimum jewelry, an important thing. Definitely remember to carry your own pen. It is a good habit to carry your own pen because when you have to fill in the forms during registration at the counter and all, it's always good to carry your own pen there. Avoid taking too many people to the hospital. So generally, one patient, one attender is a policy which even many hospitals are following. So this is to avoid basically overcrowding and unnecessary exposure to the other members of the family. Always remember to download the Aarogya Setu app on your phone and keep it on when you come to the hospital. If you have any symptoms of like flu-like symptoms like fever, sore throat, running nose, headache, or any of these symptoms, then you are supposed to visit the fever clinic and not the routine hospitals. Most important thing, when you come to a hospital, don't forget to wear your mask. It might be a cloth mask, it might be the other masks which are available in the market, but do remember to wear the mask and it has to be properly worn. Some of us have the habit of that, we remove the mask when we are talking or we put it back again, so you shouldn't be doing that. The mask should be on, snugly fitted, and a proper mask which you will wear before reaching the hospital, wear it throughout your consultation, when you're talking to your doctors, when you're registering, for everything else, and till you go back home, you do not remove the mask. Touching the mask, then touching something else, touching your face, touching your hair, this is something which you have to avoid. Now when you reach the hospital, definitely there will be a temperature check which would be done. If the temperature is high, then again you would be redirected to the fever clinic. And there also will be a sanitizer which generally will be given to you, so you sanitize your hand, don't forget to do that, as well as you can carry your own sanitizer, but don't forget to sanitize your hand, especially when you enter the hospital and also when you are leaving. At the registration counter, use your pen to do the registration formalities, and for the payment, probably better to avoid cash transactions. It is better to do a digital payment as far as possible. Use the digital method, a safer method basically. Maintain a proper social distance. So if there are some patients, see to it that there's a good spacing and you are sitting at a little distance from each other. If these things are followed, then definitely it is quite safe to visit a hospital. And hospitals are taking all the precautions. So they are doing the temperature check, sanitizers are given, social distancing is maintained, thorough cleaning before patients come, after each patient comes, cleaning of the chairs, rooms, fumigation, cleaning of the floors. This is being done routinely in all the hospitals. It is not something to be really worried about if all these precautions are taken. Thank you.